it'll make it less sharp, but you get rid of background noise as a result.
Get rid of background noise. Hello, this is my video.
Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. I need you here to do this because I don't think I can like talk to the camera on my own.
You do like your Instagram lives all the time.
Yeah, but people are there. People are there. So anyway,
you just have your Instagram live while you're recording your YouTubes until you're used to it.
Oh, maybe. Hello, it's me, TING WONG from the telly, and I'm going to show you how to do my makeup. Already fucking this up. There's no kids watching. I keep looking at myself and I was like, it looks so cute. I'm going to show you how to do my makeup real quickly. So I use my essential brushes, which are this, and this. Oh wait, that's a lie. I use these for. So I use these. Oh, and this. So first of all, I've got to go through the products, don't I? Okay, so I use this one here. Oh wait, do I have to do this? This hand thing, so it focuses. Oh my god, I did it. YouTuber, oh my god. Because I shaved my eyebrows. I just go over it. It's a real cheat. God, imagine having trying to film these in the summer. I will sweat to death. But there you go, that's my eyebrow basically done. So yeah, look, this trick from the one and only Candy Muse. She did it first, I saw it on Instagram and I was just like, I need to do that, it's great. The most beautiful queen you'll ever meet. Done. Krylon stick in the colour Ivory. There we go. I'll have to fast forward all of this. Just add music in the background. God, it must take ages to edit a video, right? Well, I usually like a 10-minute video, but like, it takes like an hour and a half to do my makeup, so a lot of this is gonna have to be sped up.
Such a weird setup. I never really thought about what like a YouTube setup would look like.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like pretty intense, isn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna blend all this in with this now. Pop, pop, pop. Imagine I get to selfies. Changing the shape of my face. Do the whole front bit with a smaller brush like this one here. And do the eyebrows. These some hectic looking eyebrows today. And on the wrinkles on my head. And now I'll go with my base, which is, I keep forgetting to tell people what I'm doing. I'm just so used to like not doing it. So I'll go in with this. Krylon in OB Ultra Foundation. Yeah, Krylon in Ultra Foundation with this flat Morphe brush, I think it is. And just go, ooh, colour. Oops. Download my song on iTunes. Well, if anyone's going to say it on YouTube, it's going to be me. Please stream my video loads and also download my song. Also on my channel. Right, now that I've done that, I want to go even darker. So I'm going with the black, like it's real dark black. Like. And then just on the corners of my face. You know what, I have absolute newfound respect for anyone that does any YouTube, because this is so long and I haven't even got to the editing yet. And then I go with this fluffy brush here and then blend it out. Good, we can layer everything out. Okay, now that I've done that, what do I do now? Powder. Is that it? I'm already on powder. Nice. So for powder, ba-ding, ba-dong. Okay, so powder I use 3. I use translucent in white, translucent in dark, and then Huda Beauty. Thank you, Huda. Okay, right. White powder, just over all highlight bit. And then my camera lens is going to be covered in dust. Try not to breathe any of it in. It's all over me. I think the white bits are done. We should put it in the top, just go like this. Okay, that's on. And then I go in with the darker one, which is this one here, and I go the contour. And set all of the dark foundation. Includes my fat chin, jaw, and neck. My nose, bring in the sides. I'm already really warm. Can't open the window. Sound from outside is too loud. Back already hurts. Oh, nipples, sorry. I'll just go over me bits of my eyes. I want to highlight and keep powder on. Underneath the brow, top lip, this jowl bit that I do like with jowls, chin, and a little bit of highlight on the jawbone. Because I've had no sleep, because I'm hungover, because I've been a total slag. Now that the powder's done, I can do my eyebrows. Actually, no, I'm gonna do eye. Be perfect. I tried to open it fancy, but I didn't do it. The colours. Because I tried doing it the other day, actually, and I thought they were too dark, but they're not. They're actually really good. So I'm gonna go this one here. I'm gonna start with this shade, which is like a peach. Start here. I think that's a buffed out. Then I go with the darker one. I'm gonna go with this one here, top. Trying to get it in your eyeball like I did. Go back in with the other brush with the peach. I'm gonna absolutely use all this peach before the rest of this palette's gone. Just blend in the lines again. Seamlessness. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with more of that jar R. Darken it in. So I don't like to do like 3 colours and stuff because I find it easier that way. I guess I go like that. And then I go with another brush, which is the new MAC 224S. And I'm gonna go in with this colour here called, actually I'm gonna go with this colour here called Too Much. I'm gonna darken it in again. I'm gonna go with another brush and make like a darker brown. Back out to the lightest colour again, and then back in with the lightest shade, and out the rest of that again. Right, I think I'm alright with that, and then we're going with a tiny bit of black. Clown White Super Colour. Is that too high of a cut crease? Have I gone mad? Because I said I was going to do a cut crease and now I've done a cut crease which is obscenely tall. I do a little bit of white at the bottom as well. I think that was my cut crease. Done. So once I've done that, go over it with MAC pigment in Vanilla, loose pigment. Does it look like a real YouTube video when it's done? I don't know. Okay, that's done. Then I go over that with me eyeliner. No, I just use a gel eyeliner because it's a lot easier. Because I am cat candid. So I'm gonna go with this Morphe gel one. Or should I clean this brush?
You have to ask that.
No, I should have. I know I should have.
Oh.
I'll just start at the bottom. Eyeliner. And there you go. Hold this. So about there. Load up the brush with a little bit more black. There we go. Actually, I may take that higher. Yeah, I think it is. I'm gonna pull that in further. Cool. And then to finish off, I go in with the black. Smoke that out. Now I know why they do one eye and say I'll do the other eye off camera and then come back. Because I'm gonna do the same. Oh, I don't even tell people what I'm doing in the steps. I'm going back in with the darker shadow just to like blend the black shadow out. Because it's all about blending. Makes it look better. There we go. So I'm gonna go do the other eye and then come back. Now that I've done the other eye, I'm gonna go back in with some green. So I was checking my Indian delivery. Are we sharing a sweet bush or not? Should we get another rice? There's chips as well. Let's get another normal chips just in case. I started putting weird colours in my cut crease because of the Vivian, because she does it and it looks really good. I'm assuming if they put a green in this palette, they want the green to be used alongside everything else. Okay, I'm going in with more green. Shimmer shade called Classy. I'm gonna go to the top. Oh, there's some nice shimmer adds to the green. Oh, they're gonna get to anywhere. When you do the shimmer, try not to get on your black eyeliner like I did, because I'm stupid. Stupid. Has a little greenish pen thing from Huda Beauty. It's like a matte and metal melted shadow. And I'm gonna go along. Line on that, and then same on there, just a little bit underneath, just a tiny bit of highlight. Yeah. Right, now that I've done that, I've got to do eyebrows. Fill in where I've left out my eyebrows. Oh, we're looking for extra chips, weren't we? Sorry, I was just dribbling all over the camera. Delicious Indian takeaway.
You right checking out?
Yeah.
Apple Pay?
Yeah.
Apple Pay. Film the save button. Oh, use your face.
No, pay with passcode. Just filling out the eyebrow. There she is. Just the end of the angle brush is like really flat with as little product as possible. And I literally kind of like not even like properly draw in, but I just go wherever I haven't gone already, so it's like. There you go. Just fill in the rest. Go back in with this white brush, then just cover it like that. Next stage is contour. I like to get one of these. They're probably not meant for powder, but I like using it for powder. Like a flat brush like that. Old trusty palette. Along the browns, back and forth, and then just in the corners. Push it against my head. So you see the difference in side one? Side two. So along my jawline, basically where I did the contour before. I got chin a little smaller. Sorry nose. I think my nose is wonky, but I will fix that with highlight. So then let's say we go on the other side. Big old fluffy blush brush, like a really like orangey corally one, and let's go pop, 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 pop. And then along my light contour. I feel like if you don't blush, you can't like warm your face up, so it's a bit bizarre. I just put it all over my face. So like the contour kind of goes black into blush. Not black, I mean like brown. My nose, my chin, and the underside of my lip. Now I'm gonna go with my highlight. The highest points of my cheek, where my actual cheekbone is, which is nice. Thanks mum and dad. On your cheek there, try and match the same weight on one side and the other. So like subtle one, top nose, bridge, top here, brown eyebrows, chin, lip, jawline. And then I go with the Ben Nye Lumiere Luxe powder. And you'll see why in a minute. Get it on my finger and I just go. Try and keep it in the same place as well. Because the light concentrates that highlight. Oh, a bit more. Oh, that was a lot more. Oh, she shine. Like the sun, pretty much. My face done. So now it's got to do a lip. Huda Beauty, and I'm going to go in with the colour Trendsetter. Thanks, Huda. don't want to get filler, so like, let's do this. Like weird shaped lips, I think. Very long. So I have to like draw to the side and then pull in. I'm gonna go in the same colour that I did for my lips. So I'm gonna go back in with Trendsetter in the liquid matte. Oh, what a nice colour. God. I love a liquid to matte lip. I'm just gonna go on the corners of my lip just to ombre it in a bit. Because I hate when lips like one colour, I feel like it's a bit like 2D, so I have a little bit extra. This is a Dior one that my friend found on the floor. Thanks. I did a highlight on my nose. It's like a tiny speck with this like strobe liquid. And like, it just catches the light real good. Like it's like a, has she got something on the end of her nose? No. Thanks what a drag. And stuck all the lashes on top of each other, they glue together. When the lashes are a bit old, if you reuse them, the glue kind of shapes to the shape of your eyes, you can get away with just throwing the lash on like that. And the top of the lash. And I just use like standard like sort of lash glue I got from Sally's. Oh. Glue on my fingers. Glue still on my fingers. Yes, so this is what a drag pair or a pair of is. Versatile and femme top together, which I think is quite cute. Mascara and then I'm done. This is the first thing I put a wig on. Go back in a bit. Put on a t-shirt now because I put on a t-shirt now because I feel like I should because I'm a woman. I'm a woman. I've got to take the label off. Anyway. Anyway, thanks for watching. Love you.